After the Big Bang, she collected primordial protons and neutrons, made the nuclei first and then the universe. From there onwards, creations of her magic hands are emerging everywhere. Things with wonders and events with secrets, ranging from vicinity to infinity. She cools the water we consume. She churns out the air we breathe in. She ignites the fire that keeps us warm. She blesses the land we stand on. The mother of all fauna and flora, the first teacher of all sciences and arts, the common goddess for all religions and beliefs. Naturaleza. Let us appreciate the poetry of Earth which is never dead.